Here's some artistic expression trivia. Subscribe. What type of art is characterized by vibrant colors and bold brushstrokes? Is it A, Cubism, B, Impressionism, C, Fauvism, or D, Surrealism? The correct answer is C, Fauvism. Which artist is known for the Mona Lisa? Is it A, Vincent van Gogh, B, Pablo Picasso, C, Leonardo da Vinci, or D, Claude Monet? The correct answer is C, Leonardo da Vinci. What movement is Pablo Picasso associated with? Is it A, Surrealism, B, Cubism, C, Abstract Expressionism, or D, Impressionism? The correct answer is B, Cubism. Who painted the Starry Night? Is it A, Pablo Picasso, B, Claude Monet, C, Vincent van Gogh, or D, Salvador Dali? The correct answer is C, Vincent van Gogh. What is the term for art made from found objects? Is it A, assemblage, B, repurposing, C, collage, or D, installation? The correct answer is A, assemblage. What art form focuses mainly on the human body? Is it A, figurative art, B, abstract art, C, installations, or D, landscape art? The correct answer is A, figurative art. Who is the famous Dutch painter known for the Night Watch? Is it A, Piet Mondrian, B, Frans Hals, C, Vincent van Gogh, or D, Rembrandt? The correct answer is D, Rembrandt. Which style is Frank Lloyd Wright known for? Is it A, Gothic architecture, B, Colonial Revival, C, Prairie style, or D, Art Deco? The correct answer is C, Prairie style. What is the primary focus of performance art? Is it A, visual arts, B, live action, C, film production, or D, music composition? The correct answer is B, live action. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.